Welcome to Rezolve-AI-PLC's technical analysis. Rezolve-AI-PLC is at an inflection zone. Watch how price reacts at key levels. The stock dropped 3.4% today, and the 30-day trend suggests an uptrend. Short and mid-term pressure is clearly weighing on the price, although the long-term structure still holds for now. A breakdown here could signal broader weakness. A potential mid-term resistance is seen around $5.75, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $11.85, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond mid-term resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $12.11, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $2.98, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $2.65 and $2.76, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 45.5% from current levels before rebounding. Recent trend shows signs of reversal as price slips below short-term averages. Momentum is fading, MACD and RSI signal weakness. A similar MACD cycle from August 28 to September 25 led to a price increase of approximately 85.3%. Long-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is currently below the 61.8% retracement, which may act as near-term resistance. Short-term structure, price is now above the long-term resistance zone, trend continuation is likely. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Price is trading above the recent swing high, potentially turning it into new support. Volatility is high based on ATR, while trading volume is below average compared to recent averages. The RSI is below its smoothed version. Current RSI is 41.9, while smoothed RSI is 50.6. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Rezolve-AI-PLC, scored 3 out of 10, a weak setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is below all EMAs. Downward pressure remains. Closest EMA is EMA 50 at $5.093, currently acting as resistance. A rising support trendline near $2.980 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A mid-term target stands near $5.750, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $12.11. Between mid-term and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $11.85. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $5.436, acting as resistance. Next Fibonacci level to watch is $3.516. Breakdown below regression channel, target is around $2.692. Top news for Rezolve-AI-PLC. News 1, Rosen Law Firm encourages Rezolve-AI-PLC investors to inquire about securities class action investigation, RZLV, via Business Wire, on 61 hours ago. Those are the key headlines. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Rezolve-AI-PLC. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.